This
Message
conference
right?
will now be recorded.
Such a system is very
Yes,
slow, so the settings configuration is not taken.
you are doing it in offline system.
No, online only.
Okay, so your problem not solved or solved?
It is solved.
Okay, okay. All right. Then let's start ST point today, and then we'll begin asset accounting from tomorrow. Okay. Then we will revise MMST integration once asset accounting and the other topics are completed. Then we will refresh, revise these topics like your APP, manual BRS, LSMW, this integrations. We will revise once again from the interview point of view. Okay. What they will ask you in the interview and how you have to talk in the interview. All these points we will discuss once the main topics are over. So now you are comfortable with the integration, right, everyone? Doing basic config for MMST, creation of purchase order, GR, IR, and your sales order, delivery, billing. If you are not comfortable, just practice once again. If you do it 2-3 times, definitely you will understand the logic. Okay. Now let us say, let's talk about example of FISD integration. Put this here. FISD integration. Let's say we got an order from let's say any one customer will take Reliance Jio for 30 quantity of what we will sell. No, 30 quantity of I-20 cars at the rate 7 lakh. Let me take 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs per car. Okay. So we got an order from Reliance Jio for 30 quantity of I-20 cars at 8 lakh per car. Now here, what are the prerequisites? What is the prerequisite that we need to do this in SAP? First thing is your customer. Who is the customer? Who is our customer here? Reliance Jio. So we need to create Reliance Jio customer. What is the T code? Which T code we will use for customer creation? XD01. Correct? We'll use XD01 for customer creation. And the second one, material master. What is the material master? I-20 car. What T code we will use for creation of material master?
MM0.
MM01. MM01. Now, what are we doing with this I-20 car? Are we purchasing or are we selling?
Selling.
We are selling, right? When you are selling,
Yeah.
first thing what needs to happen, you need to have the product, correct? First thing, you need to have the product. How will you have the product? First, there should be availability stock. Yes or no? If I want to sell 30 quantity of I-20 cars, currently I should have 30 cars available with me. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So to have this 30 cars available with me, there are two options. Option number one, I will purchase and then I will sell it to the customer. Option number two, I will manufacture and then I will sell it to the customer. So now we cannot go with manufacturing and selling because we have not done product costing yet. So let us purchase and then sell to the customer. So one more thing is stock availability. Stock availability is your BET code. In this T code, we will check whether the stock is available or not. Now, so shall we proceed? First, let us create customer master. Let me go to XT01. Is this scenario clear for everyone? Any confusion? If you have any confusion doubt, let me know before we start in SAP. Clear, right? What we are going to do? Is everyone able to hear me?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Srinivas, probably
I have questions.
try to, yeah, rejoin Srinivas. Just join again. Yes, Ramakrishna.
For stock availability, do you get any notification from SAP system? Is there any option like
Yes, there
lack
is
of
some,
stock available?
yes. I will show that error
Huh.
now when we perform the goods receipt. Sorry, when we perform the goods issue, I will show that error, like stock deficit. Then only I will bring the stock.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'll show that error. If there is no stock, what system will do? Okay, so let us begin from the customer master creation XD01. Let me log in. XD01. So account group, let me select HG, let's say domestic customer. Company code is HI10. Sales organization is HI10. Distribution channel HI. Division is H1. Okay, press enter. Now give title company. Reliance Jio is the customer. Jio. RJ Street. House number 79. Postal code 500 600. Right. Pune, country India. So I'm just randomly taking. And after this, straight away go to your company code data. Fill the recon account. We have given domestic customer. So select accounts receivable domestic. sort key, select sales order, we don't have sales order, there is no sales order, you can go with the 001. Where is this? Standard one, posting date. Enter in payment transaction, give terms of payment 0001 standard, payment method, payment block, grouping key not needed, correspondence, insurance not needed. Straight away go to sales area and sales district, sales office, sales group, customer group. So sales district, let me give the standard things. No sales district, sales office, HI10, sales group, HI1, customer group, not relevant. So I'll take one, trading companies or industrial customer. Currency is INR. Under shipping, delivery priority, select normal priority. So nothing else is needed here. In billing document, take Incoterms as FOB. Here also you take FOB. Terms of payment, you take standard one, 0001, so that this will get defaulted when you're creating a sales order for this customer. Very important point, this one, account assignment group. In your VKOA, we have done configuration for which group? 1 or 2? Anybody remember?
1 only.
So you need to
One.
select
One.
you need to select one. If you select 2 or any other thing, you will get the error, because for that combination there is no configuration. So I'm going with 1. So if somebody is asking you in the interview how system will determine the GL account, tell it will determine the GL account based on the account assignment group assigned in the customer master data sales segment. Okay, and this sales segment customer account group will be checked in the VKOA setting. Whenever these two are matching, whatever the GL is mapped, that GL account will come into picture. Okay, now this tax you give 0. Wherever you get this, simply give 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, so that you will not get any tax related errors. That's it. And now partner functions. In partner functions, what are the things that we need to maintain? Bill to party, ship to party, payer. So number, what number it is asking? It is asking okay. We need to extend this again in the config, right? This customer not needed. Why is this not needed? Just a moment. RJ Street 79.
The number is not created. Customer number is not created.
Sort case No, usually even if it is not created, still okay. So let me create the customer first. Okay, 921. Let me click on display. This is the customer number. Click on change mode, sales area, shipping, fill this, sales group, customer group, filling document, there should be 01, tax all zeros, partner functions, title sold to party, this number. So yes, so we need to create customer in general segment first, and then only you need to create this partner functions. Sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and then payer. Copy the customer. So functionality of this I will explain once we are comfortable with this. Clear? Customer creation, and then save this. So customer 912 all 066 is now created. This is the customer code. We need to create one material for I-20 car. For creating a material, MM01. Let me go to MM01. Material, I'll give I-20 only. Give I-20 car. Industry sector, let me take retail. Material type, finished product. So FERT. Enter. Basic data 1, basic data 2. Since you are selling this, you need sales related views, purchasing, storage 1 2 you can take, accounting 1 2, costing 1 2. Say okay. Plant is HI10, storage location is HI10, sales of is HI10, distribution channel is HI. Enter. I'll give
Ajay,
I-20. Yeah,
so we are creating finished products, right?
we are creating.
Finished goods.
Yeah, finished goods, correct.
So why we have selected purchase view in these input screen?
Because
It
we
is
are not manufacturing, we are going to purchase this and then we are going to sell it. That is the reason.
so when we purchase, when we manufacture, we do not select the purchase view, right?
Right, correct. Because currently we don't have the product costing related concept, so I'm purchasing this.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Yeah. I-20 car, unit of measurement is each, material group 0001, basic data 2, nothing is mandate. Here you can give 0 0, it is asking 0 0 0. Enter. Sales 2, purchasing is okay, plant is fine, 2 is okay. Now accounting 1. So since this is finished product, valuation class will be 7920, and per unit price, at what rate we are selling? We are selling at 8 lakhs. Let's say Our cost is some 7 lakhs. Okay, I'll give the same price. Normally this should not be mandatory. Since this is coming as mandatory, we are updating this. Otherwise, this is not needed. 7 lakhs is what we have given. Enter. Enter. Profit center. Give any one profit center. Save this. This is mandatory in sales. Select container. Loading the group. Select crane. Availability check. ND. There is something called no check. KP. Save this. So material I-20 car is created. So material code is I-20 car. Now availability check is MMBE. Let me go to MMBE here. /n MMBE. We go here, stock overview, give your material, give plant HI10. Okay, and just execute. You will get to know what is the current availability stock. That is always unrestricted use. If there is any quantity in unrestricted use, which means this is available for any purpose, not blocked, not reserved for anybody. Currently, there is no stock. When you don't have anything, can we sell 30 quantity? You cannot deliver 30 if there is no quantity here, right? So here you must have the quantity 30 or above 30. Only then it is possible to issue 30 cars to your customer. So we are expecting an error message showing there is no stock. So that time, let us quickly create a purchase order, bring the material, and then come back to ST. Okay, I'm not doing anything here currently. There is no stock. Go back. Now let us create a sales order. First point is creation of a sales order. What is the T code? VA01. So let us go to VA01 and create the sales order. VA01. So order type, standard order type we are using OR. Sales organization, all this fine. Sales office, HI10. Sales group, HI1. Enter. And sold to party, ship to party. Select your customer. Reliance Jio. And delivery date. Let us keep it today's date, 16. Press enter. No pricing procedure could be determined. Open this. Why this error is coming again? HI10, HI, H1A. We go back. Do you wish to save? No. VA01. Let me not give sales office, sales group. Enter. So no pricing procedure could be determined. Table 638V. Okay. Let me open this. Maintain pricing VOK2. Table it is telling 683. I don't know why this issue is coming now. C16 and 638V. Is this the error? 638V? 683V. 683V. V sales organization HI10. There is a pricing procedure, right? HI10 HI H1A. So customer pricing procedure is 1. I think in the master data we did a mess. XD02, enter billing document. Somewhere we will find pricing related, shipping, sales, pricing group. Customer pricing procedure. So in the table, what is there? Let's verify this. So same thing is reflecting here also. So in the config, what we mentioned, the config we maintained a 1, correct? So this one must be assigned in the customer master data standard. Because of this, it was giving some error in the sales order. Save. Understood, right? Save. Cancel. So now let me give all this. Save. Enter. Yeah, now it is fine. Right? The problem was in the master data. We did not give pricing procedure. Now change the delivery date to current date 16. And what else we need to give? We need to give payment terms 0001, Incoterms FOB. FOB. Here also FOB. Requested function. Something is wrong with my keyboard. So let me change this to 16. Okay, so there is a problem on my keyboard. So, 0001 Incoterms FOB. Alright. So item number 10. So delivering plant is HI10. And what is the product that we are selling? I-20 car. Okay, I-20 car. So what quantity we got? 30 quantity at the rate 8 lakhs. So quantity will be 30 each. Move right. Amount 8 lakhs each. So 8 lakhs into 30. Is the number correct? This 24 lakhs? Not 24 lakhs, right? 2.4 crores. How much is this number? 24 million is what we say, right?
It is 2.4 crores.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, 2.4 crores.
Yeah, 2.2.
Okay, move right. PO detail. Just check if any other mandate is there. Just press enter. Click on edit incompletion log. So gross weight, net weight is incomplete. Double click on this. Complete data. Let's say 100, 1000 kg, 850 kg. Go back. Now edit incompletion log. Now document is complete. So let us create the sales order. Save. Order 20376 is created. 20376. This is your sales order. 20376. Now, based on the order, posting of goods issue against sales order with movement type. We'll see the movement type, and the T code will be what? What will be the T code? VL01.
LO.
Correct? VL01. Here also, let me put the T code in this color. Let me go to VL01N /N VL01N. Child 10, 16. This is the quantity, 30 quantity. Move right, pick the quantity. How many you are delivering? We are delivering full quantity 30. Press enter. Check the error log here. So no error. So everything is green. Just go back. Try to do goods issue PGI. What error it is giving? Deficit of, right, unrestricted use 30. So in the unrestricted use, 30 is deficit. Deficit is shortage. Now let us pull this stock report, MMBE. I bring this. We don't have any stock here, right? You're trying to issue 30 or you're trying to take out 30 from here, but currently there is no stock. That is what system is giving. Understood this error, everyone? Deficit of 30 quantity under unrestricted use. Look at this unrestricted use. It is trying to deduct 30 from here, but there is no availability stock. So you must have either 30 or above 30, only then system can deduct 30 from here. So since there is no stock, before selling to your customer, before delivering to your customer, you have to procure from the outside. To procure from the outside, you need to place an order to somebody else. So let us quickly create a purchase order and then get this stock. ME21, and even when you practice in the same way so that you will not get confused. Things will get memorized. ME21, and quickly raise a purchase order for any one existing vendor. Zebronics. Forget about which vendor you are raising, because you are doing this only to bring the stock. Item number 10, I-20 car. So we are going to sell 30. Let us purchase some 35 quantity. We need it today only. 2021 net price. Let's say we are purchasing for 7 lakhs. Plant is HI10. Storage location is HI10. Go to tax. Give tax code V0. These errors are coming. Change your tax procedure. OBBG. Country India. So make HI10. Save this. Come out. Press enter. Check for messages. Still not recognizing this. Let me remove this. And I'll give V0 again. Still it is taking VAT 222. Let me ignore this because I'm not going to perform invoice receipt. I will do till GR and then I will leave it because I just need to have stock available. So I'm ignoring this. I'll check there is no message, no error message. Let me save this. So this is the purchase order. Copy the purchase order. Let us perform GR MIGO. Change this to goods receipt against purchase order. Give the purchase order. Come down. Item OK. Check. Planned data of material is logged by Tamika. Where did I log? Sales order. Config. I think this one. Goods movement error log. This is the one. Okay. Now let me check. Now documents look okay. Post. Now entry got posted. Let us refresh the stock report now. Currently it is 0. Now what should be the quantity that we are expecting? 35. Correct? Huh? You can refresh here. Now you see you got 35 quantity. Now are we good to deliver 30 quantity? Is it fine now to deliver 30 to the customer? Now it looks fine, right? You can deliver 30 out of 35 available stock. Let us now perform VL01N. Enter. Pick the quantity is 30. Enter. Check error log. No error log. Click on PGI. Now delivery has been saved. Right? Click on display. This. Enter. This is delivery document. Alright. Delivery document is this. You also need accounting document, right? So how you will get accounting document? Go to document flow. From this, select this goods delivery, goods issue. Double click on this. Select this. Click on document. This is your accounting document. This is the document number. Okay. And what is the movement type? 601. Movement type is what? 601. Movement type 601. Now, this is the accounting document. Let me take this screenshot. DSX GBB snipping tool. Copy, put this here. Now against delivery, we need to perform what? Billing. Posting of customer billing against delivery document, and T code will be VF01.
Yep. Zero.
This is the T code. Okay, so copy the delivery document and go to VF01. Now after delivering, if you refresh, it should show you 5 quantity. Now is it showing 5 quantity? So 30 is reduced. Earlier it was 30, now it is 35. Now let me go to VF01. Give the delivery document here. Select the billing document F1. Enter. Enter. Now click on save. Enter. Enter. Now this is your document. This document is your billing document. It will generate billing document and you need accounting document, right? For accounting document, what we need to do? We need to release billing document. How do you release the billing document? Go to change mode. Give the billing document. Click on this. Release to accounting flag. You take this. The document has been already passed on to accounting. How come? Maybe
already given now, sir. 4800.
no. It is like your in the billing type, it will be controlled whether your accounting release to accounting should be manual or automatic. I think in the F1 it is automatic. That is why the moment you save VF01, it passed on to accounting. But normally we need to release from here. VF02 release to accounting. Since it is already released, you can click on accounting. You're asking where it is?
Where we have selected that automatic. Okay.
I'll open that. This is the accounting document number. Let me take the screenshot. Customer to sales. General ledger view. We'll give 2 profit centers. Let me give entry view. Take the screenshot. Copy. Put this here. Okay, these are the 2 screenshots. This is your delivery. This is your billing. So your cost of goods sold is 2.1 crore and your billing is 2.4 crore. So what is the profit? 30 lakhs. Correct? Huh?
Yeah. Yes.
So 30 lakhs is your profit. How you are getting the profit? Profit is sales minus not purchase. Sales minus cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold represent your purchase. Purchase plus any other direct expenses. Clear? Now let us see that billing document SPRO, the billing type. So whatever it is there, sales and distribution, billing, billing documents, billing type. It was what F1 we have used, right? So double click on this. Something this. We go to F1. Somewhere there will be a tick. Release to accounting manual, release to accounting automatic. Not here. Transaction group release for this. Check F2. Just a minute.
Next page.
Next page will give the different thing.
Yeah, revenue account.
No, not this one. Maybe some other config. Let's check. Check customizing settings. Billing type is F1. Execute. No errors. Okay. Go back. Maintain controls. Sales document to billing, billing document to billing, delivery document to billing document. Because we are doing from delivery to billing, right? Not sales order to billing. Billing type is F1, order type is OR. F1, delivery type. What was our delivery type? Go back. Pick the delivery. Status. Here. Processing, packing, overview. Somewhere there is delivery type. Okay, let me open this. That's nothing released to accounting, right? Pricing. It is not here, but somewhere that comes from the config only. Invoice list. Yes, it should be somewhere here only. So take posting block. This is only the posting block only. That's F1. You see this, right? Posting block. Currently, is this enabled or disabled? It is disabled, right? It is not blocked. If you look at this,
Yes.
blocked for transfer to accounting indicates whether system blocks the automatic transfer of the billing document to accounting. Okay, to block automatic transfer of the billing document to accounting, mark the field. Note, during the document processing, you can manually transfer block the billing document to accounting by selecting billing, change, release to accounting. Clear, Manisha? This tick mark is what we have to put. Normally, this is enabled in real time. So it will not directly get released to accounting. It must be through VF02 by this flag. It is always VF02 with this flag. Even if somebody is asking you to release the billing document to accounting, you need to get the billing document, come to VF02, give the billing document number, click on this. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Right. So this is all about your SD cycle. Any doubt in this? Any confusion in SD cycle?
Ajay, I have one question.
Yeah.
Like we also put input or output tax at the time of sales order or purchase order. Okay, so where it
Right.
will affect? Like someone asked me this question, like where it will affect to the cycle.
So your taxes are always applicable at the time of invoice.
Invoice only, right? And
Correct.
what would be the entry if it is the input tax? It would be debit, and when it is the output tax, it will credit, right?
Correct.
Oh, yeah,
That's it.
I do this.
Yeah. So once this is done, what you can do is, I cannot show that currently because we have not done tax related settings in this company code. Once tax related things are done, we will test with normal sales purchase document of F-43, F-22. We will also check the taxation with purchase order, sales order. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So any other questions on this? Anyone? Understood, right? Your MM integration and SD integration, follow the same thing. Practice exactly this way. You will definitely find it very simple.
Ajay, can you show this price difference?
Price difference?
Price
Okay.
difference, can you show that?
So normally price difference comes at the time of your purchase, MM. Let's say, what is the material? 468. ME21N. Item number 10, 468. If I open this material master, If I check this accounting 1, HI10, what is the standard price that we maintain for this material? 1200. Correct? Rajeshwari?
Yes, yes.
Right? Now, if you are purchasing either above 1200 or below 1200, there is a difference between this 1200, right? So this is called your standard price, which comes from your material master, and there is actual price which comes from your, let me take only one quantity, today's delivered date, and net price, let's say I'll take 1000 rupees. Now what is the mismatch currently? What is the material master standard price?
It is automatically taken 1200. Ajay.
No, we will, I did not fill all this. Now I can overwrite this. Okay. So your material master was showing 1200 rupees, correct? Standard price. Now in the purchase
Yes.
order, you have given 1000 rupees. This is your actual price. Whatever you give in the purchase order is called as the actual price. Whatever you are giving in the material master is the standard price. So the difference between standard price and actual price will become your price difference. So let me create this purchase order. Save it. PO created with this reference number 922. So let me perform MIGO for this. Goods receipt 922. Enter. Come down. Now check. Post. Display. Document info. FI document. Now you see the price difference. Your material is valuated with what price? Standard price. What is the material master standard price? I took only one quantity, 1200 rupees. Correct? So your material account was multiplied by material master price, which is 1200. It is here. And your GRIR account is multiplied by the purchase order price, which is your actual price. So 1000 rupees. Now debit credit, there is a mismatch of 200. This 200 will go to price difference. Now, what will be the, how much are we paying to the vendor now? 1000 or 1200? 1000 rupees. So when you perform billing, it will be 1000 rupees. Now let me do billing for this. Go back. MIRO. That's 922, right? Purchase order. This system is bringing 1000 rupees. I give 1000 rupees. I simulate. Right? 1000 rupees. GRIR account debit, vendor account credit for 1000 rupees. Clear? So you always get the bill for the actual price for which your vendor is billing you. So your vendor is giving you the bill at the rate of 1000 rupees, and your material master was having 1200. So this 200 is charged off to price difference account. Where is this? Here. Clear, Rajeshwari?
Yes, I'm clear. And one more thing, the stock which is available is 24, I think, quantity right now after making this like invoice. So on the more than the stock, if we go for the how the price difference will come when the stock availability is very less in our storage department, then how the price difference will come? Can you show that also?
Normally, price difference is coming only when your material is valuated with price control SS. Okay. So your price difference will come only during the actual goods receipt or actual goods issue during the goods movement. And whatever the price difference that is sitting here, this will have a track. And this price difference will be subsequently adjusted to the respective material account during a month end when we perform actual costing. For that, we need to configure product costing related settings. So only then whatever you're asking that can be shown.
Okay.
Ajay,
Okay.
there is another scenario also regarding PRD accounts, like when material is fully consumed before invoice receipt, and then we receive the invoice with some differences, then it will transfer to the price difference account, right? So, are we
There is
going
one
to
more
do
price
something like?
difference. Yes. So this is invoice. This is your material level price difference. There is one more thing called invoice level price difference. Let's say initially you agreed with vendor for 1,000 rupees, correct? Huh?
Yeah, yeah,
Now let's say your vendor is now giving you the bill for 1,050 rupees due to some reasons. Now you are getting a price difference at the time of billing your invoice.
yeah.
So that also you need to understand. Once this concept is clear, then that concept we will bring.
Okay, okay then.
Okay. So if you do price difference at a time at the Migo and Miro, you will get into confusion. That is why I'm not showing it currently.
Okay then, it's fine if we are going to.
Okay. Sometimes what happens, your vendor will give you bill for higher rate. So then that is also treated as price difference.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. Any other questions?
Yes, Ajay. Here, what is the role of FI consultant? As a FI consultant in SD, what is the role? On which step do we work?
So your role will be configuring this VKOS setting. Okay, here you will maintain the GL accounts based on the combinations. So here you will copy all the GL accounts. This is your configuration activity. Clear? VKOA.
Okay.
And once this is done, you will have to be part of integration testing. During the integration testing, your SD consultant will do this. Your SD consultant will perform this and he will give you sales order. He'll simply give, we have created one cycle for SD and this is the sales order. Kindly validate the accounting or kindly validate the accounting address. Then you need to look at this sales order number. Go to the VA03, click on document flow, open this delivery document. Check whether your delivery document is posted correctly or not. Debit, credit, GL accounts are proper or not, and the amount is correct or not. This delivery related GL accounts are coming from your OBYC configuration because you will see here BSX and GBB. You need to verify GL accounts here and the amount here. Clear?
Yes, in OBYC, we need to assign this GL accounts.
Right.
And here in SD, what do we need to assign? What GL account?
For SD
Something-
side, there is only one GL account which comes during the billing. In the billing document, you have sales account, correct?
Hmm.
So this sales account alone is coming from VKOA.
Okay, so only the sales account we need to assign.
Correct.
And creation part, that GL creation parts will be done from the FI consultant only. Like
Yeah,
FI
that is
side.
from FI only. That is normal. GL creation and all FI only.
Okay.
Okay.
Apart from this, I have to some more questions regarding the other topics. Can I ask you?
Yeah, ask.
It is related to the APP. Like when we run the payment under F110, can you go to
Okay.
that screen?
Shivani, stop the recording because may go lengthy.